Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your FIFA 23. So first of all we have to go to Customize, then go to Settings. Now go to Game Settings, don't press X, just use the right stick and move it to the right. As you can see, that's the language select, and now you can press X. As you can see, it's highlighted in orange, meaning we can finally change the language. We have to change it with the left stick. We have a couple of different languages here. For example, we can change to Espanol. If you want to confirm, just press X. And as you can see, the language has changed. We don't have to turn off the game and turn it on again. It's an easy language adjustment. Okay, I'm going to switch back to English. And yeah, that's all for this video. As you can see, it's very simple. If you found it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.